Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself for an extremely devious unboxing video of the Radioshack 12262. Hello guys, it's Row Safety along with...
I'm just gonna emergency alerts.
Alright, and... East Melbourne WX is playing the Vine Boom sounds, and today we're going to be, well, tonight, we're going to be unboxing the Radioshack 12262. Finally! I have this thing in my possession. I've been wanting one for a really long time, so let's just... Oh, what? Oh my god. Okay, so here's the... Okay, here's the adapter, and then here's the radio. Not too big, kind of about what I was expecting, and bubble wrap, which, hold on, which I'm assuming has been, oh, there we go. Yeah, I had to. Alright, anyway, so, ooh. Any buttons on the back? And it's an A06. Let's go. Alright. Yeah, don't mind them in the background. Oh my god. Okay. Bro, it's 11:20 p.m. Alright, so this thing requires... Oh god, okay. Alright. So this thing requires a whopping 6 AA batteries. So let's go ahead. Here's 4 right here. Let's go ahead and get 6. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Okay. So then I have 8 batteries remaining. Okay, I can't see at the moment which... Okay. Alright, so... Come on, battery, get out. Okay. Oh no. Oh, that's my iPad, okay. Thought my phone was running low. So I can't see where the hold on, okay. I gotta see where the positive and negative goes. Okay, so positive goes here. Yeah, and I'm assuming it's, yep, it's like that for every battery in this row. Why, Radioshack? Just why? Why do you have to make this thing require 6? I mean, for a big radio like the 519, I can understand why it requires 6, but a 262, seriously, this is just... Alright. And great, all the batteries fell out. Oh my god. Okay. 1 battery remaining. Bruh. Okay, hold on. Okay, so... I have the thing working. Warning, I literally had no idea what I was doing while programming this thing. I didn't know I had to press the left button to exit the menu, so please bear with me while I was programming it. But now I know how to program it, so we're Gucci. Oh, I forgot to turn these switches whenever I... Okay. Flip this little thingy up. Can you guys see? Alright. You can barely see, but... we're gonna have to work with it.
Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Very crunchy speaker.
Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday, partly sunny with showers likely and a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-90s.
Okay. Channel, we already did that. Backlight, auto, off, on. Okay. Country. US, language, English. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them back up. Set alerts. Sure. Actually, no, I'll mess with that later. No.
73.
What am I doing? I want to get out of here.
He wants to get out of there. He has no.
Oh my god.
That deserves a.
No. No, we want special marine warnings on.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. Oh god. Why are we searching again? Not much of a long antenna. Oh my god. Yeah, no. Location. We want that on all. Signal reminder. Yes. Alert reminder. Yes. Yes. Channel, we already did that, and I guess that's just gonna conclude the unboxing of the radio. Okay.
Marine reports. Scripts.
How in the world? Oh, clock. Here we go. No, I already selected a channel, bro. Channel 4 available. That's crazy. Let me out of the menu, please. Let me out of the menu, please. Bro. Yeah, manual.
Line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical.
There we go.
Period 5 seconds.
Okay, here we go.
Chance of showers early in.
Okay, so alright, so we're gonna go ahead and conclude that unboxing. We were joined by alerts and
weather. Jesus fucking Christ, my
And-
ears. East. What the fuck?
Oh
fuck?
God.
I honestly forgot my name for a second. East Melbourne.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that extremely devious unboxing. I will see y'all in the next video.